Guys, this is from Star Crunch Shop. This is an unboxing. Just so y'all know, their website is now open, so y'all go shop. Hold on, let me set y'all up. So first we have Star Crumby chips. And we have Star Bossy Mix. We have the BP Mix. We have the Star Snack Bag with Star Delight. A little topper. Alright, that's it for that bag. Y'all, I'm gonna have fun with this. Oh my goodness. Yes, we have Sweet Melody. We have Star Chunky Chunks. We have Star Delight Peachy Mango Blossom. We have the Laundry Blast. All right, this one says exclusive Star flavor. Y'all, I'm so ready to dive in. All right, y'all see those? We got Baby World, Happy Baby, Star Galaxy, Star Twist Remix, Downy Passion, and Star Bossy Mix. And then we have the Peach Orange Blossom. So these are all like little toppers or samples. Sweetie Melody, Star Bubbles. We got Star Fairyland, Star Mix, and Star Laundry Blast. Again, website is open. I don't think everything is listed on there as of yet, but y'all better go shop, because they run out, and yeah. Alright, see what we have here. And when I tell you, they make sure the packaging is A1 all the time. All the time. Aww. Some cute socks. Yes, because you got to represent the red, white, and the blue. These are pretty. Look at those, y'all. Oh, she put a B on. You know what? These are too stinking cute. I know my daughter is finna want to try to take my socks. I gotta hide them from her. She's gonna want, Mommy, can I wear those to school? Girl, these are for me. Look at that. I love it. Thank you so much, Star Crunch Shop. Love those. Love, love, love. And look at that last one, y'all. Y'all see what I say? Open me up. Don't threaten me with a good time. I don't know what this is. Oh my God. Oh, that's so cute. They gave me my own little personal bowl to eat my stuff off of. Okay, y'all already know what we finna do this video review. Off of this right here. Yes. Got my own star plate. Yes. To eat my cornstarch off of. Look at that. Now, ain't that cute? Love it. Love, love, love it. Now I'm gonna set all of this up so y'all can see everything that was included. I think this is just, oh, okay, she's just putting that down for protection. All right, guys, this is everything I received from them for being their V-Starch video girl. I love those socks. Oh my God. I need to find out where I'm gonna wear them at, because I'm ready to wear them now. And I got a lot of shoes that match them. But y'all, instead of making a video, do y'all think I should go live and record this? I think we should.